Hi, I'm Daniel Kohanowitz, and today I'm going to show you how to analyze your website and figure out how to optimize your website for SEO, search engine optimization in detail, page by page. Also going to show you how to find out what content you need to be making and what keywords you need to be putting in that content for it to optimize and rank on Google on at the highest possible spot, and also how to hack your competitors' websites, figure out what their top products are, their top articles, lead magnets, things like that, so that you can make your own versions, make them better, and ethically steal your competitors' customers. So this tool, and best of all, this tool is 100% free and is created by one of the world's, if not the world's, top marketer, Neil Patel. So this tool is actually Ubersuggest right here, as you can see on my screen. And the reason I just learned about this at an actual digital summit, I paid hundreds of dollars to attend. And basically what it is, it's completely free, and the reason that he puts this tool out is actually to generate leads for his agency. But he doesn't even service small people. He only really services big, massive corporations. So this is totally free for you to use, and there's really no agenda here. There's no pro plan. So let's get right into it. Super easy. Just type in Ubersuggest in Google, and you can bring the tool up here. And now you can you just literally type in a keyword or a domain. So we can type in the domain of our website, bridgecomsystems.com, search. Okay, and there I'm already logged in. All you have to do is to access all the features, you literally just have to sign in with your Google or Facebook account, but it's totally free. There's no making an account or anything, and this tool is just really awesome. So you can, right off the bat, I've typed in our website, and it's showing us the organic keywords, organic monthly traffic, and then all of our backlinks. Okay, so this is, as you can see here, from last year to now, we've almost tripled our traffic, and this is just the organic traffic. So and that's the only downside that I found with this tool, is that it only shows the organic traffic. It doesn't show the your entire website traffic, like a tool like maybe SimilarWeb or something like that would. And I think they should definitely add that to the tool. That's the only downside, is it only shows you the organic traffic and not the entire picture, because I can tell you right now that according to this, I mean, our organic traffic is only like 5 to 10% of our total monthly traffic, which is probably realistic because we do a lot of paid traffic. Anyway, so you can do this overview. You can also see the top pages on your website. So these are the pages that people organically are visiting the most of. So like I can see your amateur radio repeaters. So I may want to optimize these pages because they're the most popular, right? So you can actually see all the links. You can go to these on your website. You can actually go to keywords, so you can see what your website is actually ranking for in terms of keywords. Okay, and then if you click on those keywords, you can actually see what other things are ranking. So perhaps you want to find out if your competitors are ranking organically on the keywords that your website is ranking on. You can just click on these keywords, and you can figure that out. So the other cool stuff is you can actually do a complete site audit of your site. I've already gone and done one. You don't have to put in your site. There's no verification. You can put in anybody's site. So I could put it in my competitor sites, my site, anything. There's no verification. It literally will you plug it in here and it'll crawl your website. So this is our site, but I could put in like one of our competitors. That. So it'll crawl it for a few minutes here, but then it'll spit out. We can just go back. Oh, you see, it's already doing it. But we can actually go back here and just analyze our site. So it'll actually show you all of your pages, right? All the crawled pages on your site. So these are all the pages on your website. And as you can see, a lot of our pages have issues, which means that like these are SEO issues, optimization issues, which is actually a good thing because our business is already very successful. So we could go in and fix all these pages and increase our search engine optimization significantly, so we rank better on organic keywords. And I think it'll actually show you. You can see, yeah. So you can see all the pages. So like it shows you what's wrong with them, and you can actually click on these and actually show the actual URLs that are have issues. And it'll tell you the exact problem, have low word count. And then it goes, how do I fix it? So he tells you exactly how to do it. You can also see your backlinks. So we have like a lot of backlinks. That's actually, no, this is the other competitor. Hold on. like that. And you can actually see we have almost 700,000 backlinks, which is a lot. And you can actually go see those right there. The other cool thing is you can go to content ideas. Like I said, that's item 2 on what I was going to show you. And you can type in your keyword or domain. So we could say like we're in the two-way radio business, so we could do like two-way radio. Like that. And then it'll just load for a second here. And then boom. So you can see all of the different articles that already exist, and then how many visits they're getting in regards to this specific keyword. So this could be anything. This could be like how to start a business or something like that. So there you go. There's a keyword, and you can search through these. I think these. I'm not sure how to decipher all this, but as you can see, it's getting a lot of interest, and you can see all this organically. You can also go to keyword ideas. So as you can see, how to start a business, it's going to pop up all the relevant links, and it's going to pop up all the actual related keywords, so you can then start ranking for these related keywords if you had a keyword like that. And then you can see your overview. So this is your this is a keyword, but we can put in our business instead. Like that. And you can see it'll bring up an overview to see all of our organic keywords, organic monthly traffic, domain score, and I think this is 100 is better than is the best. Yeah, higher the number and more authoritative. So we have a lot of room to grow is basically what it's telling us. But that's great because our business is already very successful, and we'd love to improve on all this stuff, get it to 100, and then totally dominate the market. But yeah, that's pretty much Ubersuggest. It's got all these cool features, totally free. Just log in with your Google or Facebook account. And then just go explore your business or your competitors' businesses. As I said, you can type in any business, so you can figure out, what keywords your competitors are ranking on, what articles are getting the most traffic, things like that. And then from there, you could then copy or make your own versions. Don't copy anything, but make your own versions of their successful articles or product listings, and then rank on those same keywords, and then take their traffic from them. So feel free to go and play with this. I'm going to put a link down below the video, and you can go check this out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like or a comment if you want to comment, and subscribe for more cool tutorials like this. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next chapter.